Hola everyone, it's me, Loca Yoj, and welcome back. So today's video will be a matte brown makeup look. If you're interested in how I did this look, stay and watch.
All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty.
To focus on the eyes, I've already added my foundation, NC35 from MAC, and for the eye primer, it's PLouise 0.5. Grab any chocolate brown or dark brown and pack it all over your eyelids. Use a short, denser shader brush so that you can get all the pigments. And using another brush, outline a matte orange around your matte brown. Just do it slowly. We are not going to mix it yet. We are just going to outline the shadings.
Demons really catching up. I mean, what if there's no meaning? Oh, my heart is slowly bleeding.
And now grab your blending brush, and with a small circular motion, we are going to blend the matte orange first.
Nothing lasts forever. Is this just a winter switch? Time switch. Not getting over.
And using the same brush, pick up a super soft light brown and blend it on the matte orange so that it will bind together with the color of your eyelid. And to soften the chocolate brown, grab another blending brush and blend until it will look soft and bind it together with the orange pigment.
But I know I want to make a mark with them.
For the lower lash line, we are going to start with the orange. And using the same brush, grab dark chocolate brown and put it on top. And to enhance both orange and brown, we are going to complement it with a yellow matte shade. And just blend it until it would look soft.
I mean, what if there's no meaning? Oh, my heart is slowly bleeding. You said we still got to.
This is an additional step. I'm just adding shimmer in the middle part of my eyelid because my plan is when I add the glitters, the brown should peek through. Now I'm just adding glitter glue and press the glitter. I don't have a brown glitter eyeshadow, but I have this white iridescent. The undertone is like green and blue.
Demons really catching up. I mean, what if there's no meaning? Oh, my heart is slowly bleeding.
This is a hard medium to use, so I used my hand to press it. I don't want the glitters to overpower the matte look, so using the dark brown shade, I'm pressing it on so that it's not too sparkly but muted. So I'm just covering the big glitters, which are the stars. And I think it's better now. Now let's add eyeliner.
Melodies and rhythm, like paying the bills with them. Get emotional, but I know.
And of course, don't forget the golden muta. The shade that I used here is bronze. Now grab your matte powder. The one that I used here is from Nichido, and I'm just focusing on the T-zone, especially on my nose. Just don't forget to contour your nose.
Catching up. I mean, what if there's no meaning? Oh, my heart is slowly bleeding. You said we still got.
Next, we are going to slightly contour the perimeter of our face. Don't forget the cheekbone, even if you don't have, just create one.
Time switch. Not getting over.
And my favorite part is the blush. This is from Nichido and the shade is Cool Rum. So it has a orange undertone, perfect for this matte brown look.
Lasts forever. Is this just a winter's itch? Time switch.
And of course, the choice of hairstyle is brush up, super clean so that your face will look snatched and lifted. The lip liner that I am using is from Morpher in the shade Bite Me. On my lips is from NYX's Lingerie collection. The shade is Teddy. This is pretty much the look, however, it needs warmth. So using a Catrice bronzer, I'm just bronzing my forehead and the perimeter of my face. And of course, let's press down a matte powder under the eye to complete the matte look.
What it feel like? What it look like? What it feel like? What it look like? What it be like?
So this is the final look. I hope you like my matte brown makeup. I think that's all for today. Bye bye.